Hey guys, so yesterday we discussed our article about wheels and axles, and now you're going to be getting prepared for your assignment that you'll be turning into me. And this article is about levers and pulleys. This is also another science article, and it talks about words to know, so make sure you pay attention to that. Make sure that you're paying attention to your diagrams. You have one for the seesaw here, and you have one where it's talking about using a lever here or lever. Make sure that you read the story, and then it's 2 pages, and you have another diagram here. So make sure that you are actually reading the text and then looking at the diagrams to help you make sense of the text, so you can actually see the image in your mind of what they're talking about in the text. Then you will go. So today on Thursdays, where we always read it, just to kind of get through, look at the diagrams, try to put it together, read the questions. You don't have to answer them today, but read over the questions. So tomorrow when you read and answer the questions to turn in, they'll be a little more familiar. So when you're reading the story, those questions, the answers are going to like pop out in your mind because they'll be familiar. Don't forget when you have a part A and part B to answer both parts. Also, refer back to your text or the diagram. Now you're going to ask you about diagrams to help you. And then number 5, it just says, how do the text and diagrams help you understand the meaning of load? Don't just tell me how the text helps you, or don't just tell me how the diagrams. You got to tell me how the text and diagram help you together. Number 6 is multiple choice. Number 7, it says write the parts below under pulley or lever. One part will be used twice. So one of these, remember guys, one part's going to be used twice. So one of these words are going to be put in both places. So you'll go through and you're going to write rope, bar, load, wheel, and fulcrum, and whichever side they go under, and one of those is going to be in both sides. Okay? And then number 8 says plan your response. Look again at the article. Think about the steps you would follow to use each tool. Make a list of the steps. You can either make a list on the side here, or you can start off over here on these lines, because remember you have the next page if you need it for extra space if you need it. Your extended response says explain how levers and pulleys are used to move things. Use your list and information from both the article and diagrams. That's the important part, guys. I need something to tell me. You need to talk about both the article and the diagram in your answer. Okay? All right, guys. Good luck. And we'll be having lessons next week. Next week, we'll be on lesson 19. And that is all about identifying reasons authors use to support ideas. Okay, have a good day.